In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share a Google Sheets table onto Google Docs. Now, the good thing about this is when you go ahead and update the table, like I've just done here, I've added some characters, it is automatically going to update on the table on the Google Docs. This is incredibly useful, so here's how you can go ahead and do it. So what you first need to do is obviously make a table on Google Sheets. Now, you've probably got your data just entered in like this. Now, to make your table, click on the first column where the data is, hold down Shift and scroll down to the bottom of your page. Hold down Shift and then click on the last data point. So you're clicking on the first data point, you're holding down Shift and you're clicking on the last data point, which is going to essentially highlight everything here. So now you've got everything highlighted, you can right click, you can then go ahead and convert to table. This is a new feature, so it'll be down here, click on this. Once you've got it converted to a table, you may need to highlight it again, but if it's already highlighted all of the data, you can just simply right click anywhere and click copy. Then go back to Google Docs, go ahead and right click anywhere and then click paste. It's going to ask you, do you want to paste it and link to spreadsheet or paste on link? If you paste it and link to spreadsheet, anytime that you update this, so let's just put some random characters, it will then update on the Google Docs here. If it doesn't update, you can click it, you can then click update, and it's then going to go ahead and update this here. Here is the characters that I edited. So these updates are going to go through straight away when something gets updated. It's incredibly useful. Thank you for watching.